So I'm now going to be going right on Mannington Roundabout, coming from Kings Hill and heading towards the B4006. What we're going to look at here is if we happen to go in the wrong right turn lane, so we go in the right of the two lanes rather than the left of the two lanes, and how best to deal with that. So I'm approaching in the right hand lane because that's the only lane I can turn right from on this roundabout. But as I get onto the roundabout, instead of following these dots over to my left, I'm going to aim for the middle of the roundabout as we would do on a normal roundabout. So I've come over to the right now and I've followed the roundabout like a normal right turn roundabout. What I've ended up with though is I'm now in the right of the two right turn lanes opposed to the left. And what you will see on exit is this lane now exits me in the overtaking lane. So what we need to do here is build up speed and make progress, and then look to move back into the left lane as soon as possible, so as not to inconvenience any of the other road users or anyone that's wanting to position right for the next roundabout.